Let's discuss charging and potential charging issues of Amazfit Bip 6. Connect the USB Type-C charging base to a power source. Align the charger dots with the watch's dots. Let the magnets snap the watch into place. If the watch doesn't connect, turn the charger around. Ensure you see the lightning icon and current battery percentage. Full charge takes about 2 hours. Now, let's solve charging issues. Check for a secure connection between the watch and the charging base. Inspect for faults in the USB port and adapter. Clean the charging contacts with a soft brush. For deep cleaning, use rubbing alcohol. If the issue persists, open Settings on your watch. Go to System Settings in the menu. Select Factory Reset and confirm the reset. Subscribe for more useful info.